Welcome to English Listening with Bonnie channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at a conversation about buying a birthday cake at a bakery. In this video, you will follow a clear and simple story about Justin, Bonnie, and a bakery staff member. They will enter a bakery, look at different cake options, choose a suitable birthday cake, and complete their purchase step by step. You will also hear useful English expressions for ordering and choosing items in a shop. Do not worry. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. So, here is today's question. Which cake did Justin and Bonnie finally choose for the birthday celebration? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. All right, let's start the video.
Bonnie, this bakery looks really good. I think this is a nice place to buy a birthday cake.
Yeah, I agree. The shop looks clean and the cakes in the window look really fresh.
Let's go inside and check all the options first before we decide.
Sure, let's take a look first. I want something nice, but not too fancy.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our bakery. How can I help you today?
Hi, we're looking for a birthday cake for our friend.
Yes, but we are still deciding, so we would love some suggestions.
Of course. About how many people will be sharing the cake?
Around 5 to 6 people.
Great. Do you prefer something light or something rich and sweet?
Something light would be better. Not too sweet or too heavy.
Perfect. Please come with me. I'll show you some cakes that would be a good match. This is our cake display area.
Wow, there are so many cakes. It's actually harder to choose than I thought.
I know, everything looks so pretty.
Don't worry, I'll introduce a few popular choices so it's easier to decide. This is our chocolate cake. It has a rich cocoa flavor with a slightly bitter taste.
I like chocolate, but I'm not sure if everyone will enjoy something that strong.
It looks delicious, but maybe a little heavy for a birthday party.
Yes, many chocolate lovers choose this one for its deep flavor. This is vanilla cake. It is soft, light, and very easy to eat.
That sounds nice. Vanilla is usually a safe choice.
But it looks a bit simple for a birthday celebration.
If you like, we can add candles and simple decorations to make it feel more festive. This is fruit cake. It has fresh strawberries, kiwi, and grapes on top.
Oh, this one looks really fresh and colorful.
Oh, I really like this one. It looks bright and fresh.
This is one of our most popular birthday cakes because it feels light and refreshing.
I think this one fits our friend better.
Yes, and it would look really nice in birthday photos too.
Exactly. A lot of customers say the same thing. This is mousse cake. It is very soft and melts smoothly in your mouth.
That sounds nice, like a cold, creamy dessert.
That sounds lovely, but I still think the fruit cake feels better for a party.
That makes sense. This is our premium decorated cake. It is more detailed and used for special celebrations.
Wow, this one looks very fancy.
It looks beautiful, but maybe it is a little too much for our small gathering.
Yes, this one is usually chosen for bigger events.
I think we should choose the fruit cake.
Yes, I agree. I think that one is just right.
Great choice! It is one of our best-selling cakes. Would you like to add some accessories, such as candles, forks, a cake knife, and napkins?
Yes, we definitely need candles.
Yes, please. We also need forks for everyone and a knife to cut the cake.
Perfect. I'll prepare a full party set for you. Just to confirm, one fruit cake, candles, forks, cake knife, and napkins. Your total amount is $18, including the cake and all accessories. Is everything correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Yes, that's right.
Please proceed with payment at the cashier counter located at the front desk.
All right, I will pay by card.
Thank you. Your payment has been successfully completed. Here is your fruit cake along with all the accessories.
Wow, it looks even prettier in the box.
Everything is packed very neatly. Thank you.
Please store the cake in a refrigerator and enjoy it within 1 to 2 days for the best taste.
Okay, thank you. We will.
Thank you for coming. Have a wonderful birthday celebration.
Thank you for your help today.
Thank you so much. You've been really helpful.
Let's go, Bonnie.
Yes, let's go. Bye.
Let's check today's question again. Which cake did Justin and Bonnie finally choose for the birthday celebration? Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. By practicing English like this, you can improve your speaking and listening skills more naturally. On this channel, I share simple English stories with slow and clear pronunciation for daily life. I will keep uploading more videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!